What were the results of the most recent Parent Choice Survey?
So, and I apologize that you had to answer this survey 3 times. I know that it got a little bit redundant and maybe even a little bit confusing, but I know that you understand that we really are trying to get a sense of how comfortable you are sending your children back to school face to face, and 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 how many of you intend to keep your child remote for the time being? And we asked repeatedly because we knew that because the data was trending positive and because some of we've all experienced remote learning and how effective or appropriate that was for us and how impactful that was in our homes. And so we knew that some things would change. I also want to say that while we had 8,184 responses, as I indicated earlier, we're approaching 10,000 students. So we're still missing about 1,500 responses. And that's really important because, as I'm going to talk about in a little bit, as we move into the next phase of reentry, it's going to help us determine how to schedule students into classrooms who had intended to come face to face and ensure that we can keep the group small enough and maintain all of the risk mitigation protocols, the distancing in particular. And so I want to encourage everybody to spread the word, to complete the survey. This survey is this third survey is the one that we're using for scheduling purposes, and it's real important for us this next week. But as you can see in the blue region of the graph there, that we're close to 50% who intend to return face to face, and so that number has been um, reasonably consistent over the course of the 3 surveys. I mean, we've actually climbed from 30% to near 50% from the first to the third, but at this particular time, we're planning for at some point about half of our students in our schools being served face to face over the course of this next phase of reentry that we'll be talking about a little bit more here this evening.